Top of the morning, evening, night, or day, ladies and gentlemen. This is me here today on behalf of Well Prepared Men, and I hope everyone's well and good. Roll the intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, and the following video is for subscribed devices only.
In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna unbox one of the sickest cardigans that YouTube has ever saw. So the series, the Sickest Cardigan game on YouTube, continues. We're gonna open this baby up. I'm just gonna remove my address here real quick, because I don't want any more surprises in my life. Anyway, we're gonna open this up here. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, another beautiful looking cardigan. And this looks gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. What can I say? Your boy's got good taste. Okay, I'll show you guys the front while I see the back. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Now this cardigan looks very similar to, I believe it's part number 4 of this series. I unboxed a cardigan that was very similar to this. Beautiful fit. It was beige up here up top. Now, there was a reason why I got both of these cardigans. I really liked the pattern, and actually, this was the first out of those 2 cardigans that called for my attention. But the seller of this cardigan was in Italy, which means that this cardigan arrived afterwards the cardigan that I ordered after. So this was the first cardigan that I wanted to show you guys. And this took so much time to arrive that the other one actually made it to my channel first. Anyway, this one here is made by Ollie Gan. This is made by Ollie Gan. Okay. I promise I can read, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the front right here. It's very tribal looking, and I like that, because most of the clothes that I'm wearing underneath my cardigans are very simple clothes. They basically have no drawings, no patterns, no nothing. It's just solid color. So I like that my outer pieces have personality, so my outfits come alive, you know? Here in the back, it's very similar to the front actually. We don't have anything special going on that you guys haven't saw already. I really like the color combinations. I feel like the green, the blue, and the white, they make for a very versatile piece. And here it is. I don't actually have a size here. We're gonna try it on just to see how it fits. Something that I like straight away about this cardigan is how it feels. It feels very fluffy to the touch. And when was something feeling good, not a good thing? You know what I mean? I thought I was done there, but there was one more sneaky button holding it close. Okay, so I was right. It feels insanely cozy. And in regards to the sleeve, I'm still getting a feel for it. I feel like if it was 1 millimeter shorter, it wouldn't be good, but like this is actually a good size. It's not bad. It's not perfect, but it's not bad either. I don't know, I feel like if this goes in the machine and the machine makes it 1 millimeter smaller, this won't be a good fit anymore. Because it's here, and if it goes a little bit shorter, it goes to here, and boom, my watch would already be on display. So, not the nicest fit there. But if it doesn't become a smaller cardigan, it fits me perfectly. On the bottom, it's okay in terms of size, but I feel like this was the shortest cardigan that I bought. And I'm not a big fan of short looking stuff. I like the trousers to be made by size, but the cardigans, I like them oversized. And this is not particularly an oversized cardigan, but it is a beautiful looking cardigan. And in terms of measurements, this is pretty much my limit here and my limit here. So this cardigan is testing my limits, and I love it. I'm gonna show you guys a different cardigan just so you see the difference in fit. This is the green and blue version, and this is the brown and beige version. At least that's the way I think about it. Anyway, the brown and beige version suits me like I like all my cardigans. It fits perfectly, it's oversized, and it doesn't finish there like the other cardigan does. It hangs loose, and I really like that. So in terms of size, it's not my best purchase, but I've ordered so many things online that I'm actually surprised I didn't get anything wrong, and I just got something that actually is my size. I will rock the life out of this cardigan, don't worry. Just wanted you guys to know that in terms of size, this is pretty much as small as I'd go when it comes to my outerwear, because I want to be wearing turtlenecks and long sleeves and t-shirts and stuff underneath. So I would like a looser fit in case I got a wool turtleneck or something like that. I don't want it to feel super tight, and it won't be tight. This is the limit of my measurements. I really feel like I need to stress this out. This is not small, it's the limit of my size. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, because this pretty much brings us to the very end. And I want to thank you for subscribing, sharing the love, and all those things. Don't forget to have a rest of an amazing day. This is your boy, logging out. Peace.